Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox with no lag on mobile. First, make sure to close all other apps running in the background to free up your device's resources. Also, check that you have at least 2 GB of available storage. A stable internet connection is crucial, so connect to a strong Wi-Fi network, preferably a 5 GHz one, for the best performance. Next, let's dive into Roblox's in-game settings. Lowering your graphics quality to the absolute minimum can significantly reduce lag. You should also disable performance stats and camera mode if they are enabled. For some devices, turning off full screen mode and opting for a slightly lower resolution can also provide a smoother experience. Maintaining your device is key to a lag-free experience. Regularly clearing the cache of the Roblox app can prevent performance issues. A simple restart of your mobile device before you start playing can also refresh its memory and improve responsiveness. Always ensure both your device's operating system and the Roblox application are updated to their latest versions. For even better performance, consider using a game booster application if your mobile device offers one. These can optimize system resources for gaming. Also, try to limit other devices from using your Wi-Fi network while you play, as this frees up bandwidth. Playing during off-peak hours can also help, as Roblox servers might be less crowded, leading to a smoother experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.